Want to know how to use Salesforce for partner relationship management? This powerful tool can make managing your partnerships more efficient, organized, and impactful. Stick around to learn how Salesforce can transform your partner relationships and stay until the end for an exclusive extended free trial offer you won't want to miss. Salesforce's Partner Relationship Management, or PRM, helps businesses streamline communication, track partner performance, and manage deals all in one place. First up, you can customize Salesforce to track partner data. You'll have all your partner information neatly organized in one CRM system, making it easy to monitor everything from sales leads to activity history. This means no more scattered notes or switching between multiple systems. You can quickly pull up vital information on any partner and track progress through every stage of your collaboration. Next, the platform offers automated workflows. With Salesforce, you can set up automated processes to ensure that everyone is on the same page and deadlines are met. For example, you can automate partner onboarding, send out notifications when actions need to be taken, and even set up approvals for partner submissions. This streamlines operations and reduces the need for manual follow-ups, letting your team focus on growing the partnership rather than handling logistics. The third thing to look out for is the reporting and analytics features. Salesforce PRM provides powerful insights that allow you to track partner performance, identify opportunities, and measure ROI. This data is critical when making decisions on which partners to invest in and which ones might need extra attention to maximize results. Plus, with customizable dashboards, you can see what's working and what's not, all at a glance. Another key feature is the ability to manage partner deals in real time. Salesforce's Partner Relationship Management system lets you easily manage opportunities, ensuring all your deals are tracked and your partners are always in the loop. With real-time updates, you can address issues quickly and avoid losing any momentum in your partnership. Next, Salesforce allows for seamless collaboration between teams and partners. By using the platform, everyone involved can access the same information, making communication smoother and more efficient. This reduces misunderstandings and keeps everyone on track with shared goals. You'll find this especially helpful when you're working with a large network of partners or managing complex deals. Finally, Salesforce integrates easily with other systems you may already be using. Whether you're working with marketing, sales, or customer service teams, Salesforce connects with tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and Microsoft Teams, giving you a unified ecosystem to manage all aspects of your business and partner relationships. So, if you're looking for a complete solution to manage your partner relationships effectively, Salesforce PRM might be the perfect fit. It's all about keeping your partners engaged, informed, and supported, ultimately driving more success for both you and your partners. As mentioned earlier, you can try Salesforce for Partner Relationship Management completely free with our exclusive extended trial. Simply click the first link in the description to access this special offer. Don't miss out on the chance to experience the full power of Salesforce for yourself.